Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, dear students. Myself Rufaqat Ali, grade 7 mathematics class today. As you know, we are discussing about the polygons. Today we will go towards the next lesson. Just let me revise the definition of the polygon and some basic points, then we will come towards the main angles. The definition is of the polygon. Polygon is basically a closed figure, should be with the line segments, and not any segment can be crossed to the other line like this. This is the polygon because it is closed. This is not the polygon because here this diagram is not closed. This cannot be the polygon because here DC and AE is crossing each other. So this is the closed figure and this is called polygon. There is different types of polygon, but we are here to discuss about the polygon, and we need to discuss about the sum of exterior angles today, which is our concerned lesson today. Sum of exterior angles of the polygon. See, these are some different types of the polygons. This is trapezoid, isosceles trapezoid, parallelogram, sphere, rectangle, rhombus, kite. These all are the kinds of polygon, but all these are the polygons. The important thing, these all are also the polygons. This is triangle, and these are the different types of triangle, but also these are the basic name is polygon because it is closed figure not crossing each other and line segments. All three definitions satisfying with this triangle. Okay, now this is not the polygon because it is closed but not with the line segments. So now the different types of polygon: quadrilateral 4 sides, hexagon 5 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, and this decagon 10 sides. This is the important slide for today about the exterior angles. Today we need to discuss about this sum of exterior angles. If the polygon is triangle, sum of the exterior angle is 360. If the polygon is quadrilateral, sum of the exterior angle is 360. Pentagon 360, hexagon 360. About the exterior angle, these are the exterior angles which are outside this by the green lines, showing by the green lines, and in inner angles are the pink angles are the interior angles. So always in polygon, it means that always in polygon the sum of exterior angle is 360. Now the interior angles can be different. Sum of interior angles can be different. How you know? We can find out n minus 2 multiplied by 180. If sides 3, n is representing sides. 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180, 360. Sum of interior angles you can find out with this formula. And no need to learn these sum of interior angles. You can learn this formula and find out according to your need. N minus 2 multiply 180. So if the sides are 4, sides are 6, so it will be 4 multiply 180. So it should be 720. Sum of interior angles. Again, now if you want to find out the interior angles, each interior angle, if you want to find out, if the polygon is regular, then this formula will works. Keep in your mind, if the polygon is regular, then this formula can works. So now n minus 2 multiply 180 over n. N is number of values. See here, n minus 2 multiply by 180, then divide by 3, it will be 60, divide by 4 90, divide by 5 105, divide by 6 120. So these are about the interior. So today sum of exterior angles. Exterior angles always sum is 360. In any polygon, sum of exterior angle is equal to 360. Now we are coming towards the book. See the exercise. This is today's topic, the sum of exterior angles of a polygon. In the last exercise found that the sum of exterior angles is 360 in each case. Means if the triangle, if the quadrilateral, if the rhombus, whatever, the exterior angle sum is 360. These are the exterior angles. Okay, now this is the rule, you can find out, this is the rule, 360. Okay, with the help of this rule, if we want to find out the sum of R and P, how we can find out R and P? See, find the size of angle marked P. We need P. 50 plus 110 plus R plus P should be equal to what? Should be equal to 360. You can see here P plus R plus 110 plus 50 is equals to 360. The sum should be 360. The sum of exterior angle is 360. Now how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So 360 divided by 4, R will be 90. Angles of a straight line. Angles of a straight line. Angles of the straight line. This is 90. Here see this diagram, 90 degree angle. If it is 90, definitely it will be 90. So means that it is 90 degrees. So R is 90. If R is 90, so R 90 plus 110, it will be now 200. Then 200 plus 50 equal to 250. 250 minus 360 will be 110. So the answer is 110. Now come to the exercise. In each case find the size of the angle marked P. See here the similar question, question number 2, this question number 1. Very simple, two angles given. The third is P, and as we know that the all three sum is equal to 180. So 140 plus 160 plus P equal 360. Then you can find out the value of P easily. So the next easiest questions, you can solve it, and if you feel any problem you can ask me. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.